I'm Grant.
We're with the Winkle, and today we're making a rocket car! Grant, you've loved playing with cars and things that go since before you could walk, I think. Well, today we get to make a car, and with a chemical reaction, that car is going to
Blast off.
Yeah, it's gonna blast off. Isn't that gonna be so cool?
Yes.
Yeah, I can't wait to show this to everybody today. Should we see what's in our kit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bottle, piece of clay, a straw, a skewer, seltzer tablets, 4 plastic wheels, 2 rubber bands, some glue dots, and a ruler. On top of everything in your kit, you're gonna want some scissors, some water, and maybe some glue.
Once you have all that, let's get started.
Yeah.
If at any time in this Winkle video we get going too fast, you can always pause the video and press play when you're caught up. If there's an instruction you don't understand, you can always rewind the video and then press play again. Grant, we're gonna start by getting your ruler out and your stick, okay? So we are going to measure your stick at 3 inches. So do you see the 3-inch mark right there? So the way you cut your stick is you can kind of score it a little bit. You might be able to cut all the way through with your scissors. If not, at least you can make a little dent like that, and then you know exactly where to snip. Then you know exactly where to break your skewer. And we need to make 2 of those. So we're gonna measure again at 3 inches. Okay, now you're gonna take your straw, and we're gonna measure that straw at 2 inches. Okay, and then your next piece of straw also at 2 inches. Do you know what we're making right now?
The axles.
That's right. You've made enough cars in your lifetime to know all about axles and the housing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we get to making our car, the skewer is gonna act like the axle, the part that rotates, and the straw is gonna act like the housing that attaches to the car. Okay, and this is the part where I gave you glue dots, but if you want to use glue, you might want to use glue instead. So you're going to put your skewer through your straw. That's, again, we're gonna call it the axle and the housing. I put the glue dot on the end of my skewer like that, and I'm gonna put it through my wheel. Now, if glue dots are very uncomfortable for you, you can use glue. I'm going to push it nice and firm so it gets nice and stuck in there. There, that's really secure. And put your housing on. I'm gonna show you that trick again with the glue dots. And then I'll also show you another one with the glue. So I took my glue dot off the paper, I put it around my skewer like this, and then I'm pushing it through my wheel, through the center right there. I have my housing on, that's very important. And then I'm gonna push down on it as hard as I can, nice and firm, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna show you this other side if you're going to be using glue. So you have the wheel right here, and you put a dot of glue inside the middle. Okay, so I have the axle in the hub. That's what the car terminology would be. Push that on so it's nice and secure. And I'm gonna put the straw on, or the housing, just like that. And I'll show you, if you're not using the glue dots and you're choosing to use the glue, you put a dot of glue in there. And then I'm putting the wheel back on, okay? The biggest key is to make sure that the straw or the housing is not glued or sticking to the glue dots at all, because you want your wheels to freely rotate. For this next part, you have a hole in the top of your bottle. See that hole right there? That hole needs to be at the bottom of your car. So the wheels, the side that the wheels are gonna be on, be sure that your hole is near the wheels. See that? Okay, so this part that says press, that's gonna be at the top of your car. The hole is gonna be down on the bottom of your car. Okay, you're gonna hook your rubber band around one of your wheels, have it go around to the other side, and it's very important that your rubber band is only on the straw so that your wheels can move. If it's on the stick, the skewer, then your wheels won't be moving. The rubber band needs to be on the bottle and not on the lid. Okay, so just like this, the rubber band is on the bottle, attached to the straw, towards the front of the bottle, but not on the lid. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. Actually, these are the front wheels because the other part's gonna end up being the back of the car. So we strapped the rubber band around the straw, around the bottle, to the straw on the other side. You have to fidget with it a little bit to make sure that it's only on the straw. Yep, it takes a little bit of getting used to and playing around with to make sure everything's even and centered. So give your car a little test and be sure that the wheels spin and that it's nice and balanced. You might need to rearrange some things if it's not balanced. Uh-oh, my hole switched spots, so it's not at the bottom. So I've got to kind of rotate my bottle a little bit. You really got to be sure that that press button is at the top of your car. So these wheels need minimum friction, and what that means is the smoother the surface the wheels are on, the faster the wheels will go. If you're on a street with a lot of rocks or cracks or something like that, the car might not be able to go very fast because it's trying to get over. Look how tiny those wheels are. It's trying to go like off-roading or something like that. So try and pick a part of a sidewalk or street that's very smooth as possible. All right, so we're gonna take the top off of our car, and I hope you still have your ruler. We are going to fill the bottle up 2 inches high with water. So that goes up to like my second axle, about there. Good, our car is filled up with 2 inches of water, and now you can open up your seltzer tablet. Okay, so we only need half of our tablet for 1 burst for our car to go. Did you break it in half?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, and you broke it in 4ths. That's good, because we've got to put it inside of our cap. Perfect. So if we're just using half a tablet for 1 burst with our car, how many bursts do we get with our car?
4.
That's right, because we have 2 tablets and we're breaking each of them in half. So not yet, don't do it yet, don't do it yet. I'm going to explain how and why this is going to work and what to do when you get outside with your car. So you're just gonna wanna watch this part, and then when you're ready to get started, then you can do it, okay?
Yep.
When the seltzer tablet is placed in the water, a chemical reaction happens. The bubbles that form and rise out of the water are carbon dioxide gas. This car works by ejecting something out of the back as a so-called reaction force, then pushes the body of the car forward. The energy to force the air and water out is stored as air pressure inside the bottle. The air pressure inside builds up because of the chemical reaction of the tablets and water. It tries to find a way out. So the water and the gas are going to shoot backwards.
Yes.
And the car is going to shoot forwards. Exactly. The path of least resistance is this hole right here, and we're going to cover it up with clay. You only need a small piece of clay, about the size of your fingertip, and put it over that hole. Grant, are you ready to take our car outside and give it a test drive?
Let's do it.
Okay. When you get outside, make sure to press that clay nice and firm over that hole. Press it really tight. Then put half a tablet in the lid and put the lid on your bottle. Make sure that that clay is on the bottom side right by the wheels. Situate your wheels if they need to be situated, and then wait for the reaction to happen. Watch your car blast off. You can repeat this project 3 times. Just make sure to refill the bottle with water and replace the clay. That was so much fun playing with these cars today, Grant.
Yes.
That was super cool. We would love to see how your cars turned out. If you have a grown-up take picture or video, they can post it on Instagram or Facebook. Tag us at the Winkle Crate. That way we can see how you did and how your car turned out.
Yeah.
Did you like this video today? Please like and subscribe. That way every time the Winkle comes out with new videos, you'll be the first to know. Also, check out down below for freebies and thewinkle.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye. It's gonna shoot. Ah! Ah!